My name is Raquel, and I'm part of the Nutanix team covering all the global systems integrators globally. And here with me is Dr. Gopal Pingali. Welcome, Gopal. And thank you for joining us this week to our .next, our global event. And by the way, congratulations on the award. I heard that you won the award, Accenture won the Global Solutions Award. So, as a way of introduction, please, can you tell us a little bit about yourself and Accenture?
Raquel, thanks for having me here. It's just a great pleasure to be at Nutanix.next, and it's wonderful to receive this award. It says a lot about our partnership and what we are doing together, and I'm very excited about it. I'm Gopal Pingali. I lead hybrid cloud solutions at Accenture globally, and I'm the managing director and CTO for this hybrid and private cloud area. So we're doing a lot of work with you in this context. Very natural to partner with you, with Nutanix, and I'm really glad to be here.
Thank you. And what is the scope of Accenture if you had to summarize, the company, the solutions, the scope?
So we are essentially a leading IT services provider. Our whole goal is to reimagine industries and reimagine businesses with technology and human ingenuity. And we are taking enterprises on their journey of constant reinvention and reimagination of their businesses. We like to think of taking enterprises from taking them to a digital enterprise, from digital enterprise to an intelligent enterprise, to a breakthrough enterprise. Right? So this is the journey we are on, and we like to partner with them, really understand their business and make it happen. And the whole enabler for that is this hybrid cloud, or what we call a Cloud Continuum, that enables that and makes that happen for them, gives them the technology fabric that makes that happen.
Okay, and what is Cloud Continuum, since you mentioned?
It's really what we look at cloud. A lot of people think of the public clouds and like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, but we also look at private clouds, we look at the edge, we look at even mainframe, the whole continuum of environments that the client has to work with, and how that all comes together and is in this new paradigm of cloud, of how they run technology, how they run it as a service, how it is optimized, how everything works as a code. So all of that comes together across this environment that works for their business.
Excellent, you covered everything. And what type of companies do you serve or come to you for advice or for solutions, operations, etc.?
So it's really across the board, Raquel, and we are proud to work across all industries. We have 19 industries that we work with, and it's spanning all sectors, including financial services, healthcare and public services, communications, media and technology, utilities. So it grows across the board, right? And travel, transportation, retail. So it's really across the industries.
Okay.
And we come with a lot of depth, understanding the industry, understanding how it is transforming, and bring our technology expertise in that context, right? And we are working with the largest enterprises in the world, but we're also working with hundreds and thousands of small and medium businesses as well. So we are really working across the spectrum.
Okay.
And helping clients as a trusted advisor and as their partner in making and enabling their businesses.
Yeah, and what are the challenges those companies face today, with the new trends and all those things?
So some of the biggest challenges and opportunities that come with those challenges are how they're keeping their business in pace with this dynamic, ever-changing landscape of technology. So how do they really use technology as a business power enabler and transformer, and how they're leading in their industry and with their ability to serve their clients. So that's what they're really looking at. And in terms of the technology, the big ones that we're looking at, one is virtualization, and what is all the change happening in virtualization. It's very real, very immediate problem that a lot of clients have. There's the huge transformation that's happening with AI. And AI is really about transforming productivity. How that translates, AI is very exciting in terms of what is Gen AI and the AI in general is able to do today. How does that translate into real productivity, real business value at scale for clients? That's the second big one. And overall, this is how does this work in the context of modernization and transformation of their business. So those are the big
because many companies, they want to implement AI, but they don't know where to start or what to use it for. So how Accenture helps those customers?
So we really end to end, right? So we go from assessing and understanding a client's current business and current infrastructure, current state, and saying what is the path forward for them. So especially with Nutanix, a lot of things we are doing is in the context of, like I said, virtualization. And that's often the starting point and the door opener to a lot of things that the client needs to do. So we're looking at what is it, where are they today in terms of the virtualization estate, where do they need to be, whether it's in the public cloud, in their private cloud environment, what changes do they need to make from licensing, from a hyper-converged infrastructure, and in terms of the operating model as they go forward. So that's the starting point, and we look at that as a techno-business conversation. What is the change they need to make, and what is the ROI and business case that goes with that? From there to how do I implement it? How do I do the migrations? How do I do the modernization? And for us, that's our business. We do that. We are the largest force on the planet achieving migrations. We do 2,500 workload migrations a week. We do it at 99.9% success first time migration. So we have a trusted partner that actually makes that happen. And then it's about delivering ongoing business value through managed services or as a partner with the client on an ongoing basis. It's not just migration is the step to what needs to happen on an ongoing basis. So the value we provide really is we are there with you end to end.
Exactly, exactly. So one last question. What will be the advice that you will give those companies when they start this journey? I mean, IT departments, they are concerned, they are,
So I would say first look at it holistically. It is a technology, but it's also about the people, and it's about the journey they are on, and it's about the business outcomes that they're trying to achieve. So look in the context of their business and look at it holistically. And that's the first advice I would give clients, and work with partners like us who know and do this for a living. And we are there to make it much more efficient, much more successful, and really achieve the outcomes that they are looking for. And like I said earlier, look at it end to end, from planning the strategy to doing the migration or modernization, to keep it as an ongoing driver of business value on an ongoing basis, and getting the outcomes that they are looking for.
Wow, excellent. And thank you for the partnership. How do you see our partnership working and helping Accenture Nutanix, helping those customers that you mentioned with so many challenges?
Yes, Raquel. So Nutanix is coming in with a very strong value proposition of an alternate virtualization technology, a modernization technology that is hybrid, works in the public cloud, in the private cloud, and it's all in Nutanix. You're also coming in with a great user experience that is really enabling customers on this journey. So you have a very strong technology, and we love to partner with the leading technology providers. That's why we bring the best of technology to customers, and we provide the services, the end-to-end services, and the business focus for the client, right? From understanding how they go from point A to point B, because what is their current state, and how would they go with the Nutanix as a solution, and what does that mean to their business, and how do they do this migration in a very cost-effective way, in a very successful way, and realize that return on investment when they work with Nutanix technology. So that's what we bring to the table, and we keep it going on an ongoing basis. So that's the value we bring, and I'm very excited about the whole direction that I'm seeing at Nutanix.next in terms of how you're evolving with all your announcements. And you're essentially a partner-led company as well in your philosophy, and the way every announcement you made here was associated with a partner. And I'm very excited to see what you're doing in areas like cyber resilience and the air gap technology that you're bringing in, and those capabilities you're bringing in, and how you're really setting yourself for this revolution in AI and enabling it with the Nutanix AI platform as well.
And like we like to say, we run applications and your data anywhere, on any platform, any place in the world. So excellent. Well, thank you so much, Gopal.
My pleasure, Rekha.